Did you know one emperor destroyed an entire continent's religious history in a single bloody campaign? In 330 AD, Emperor Ezana of Aksum ruled over what is now Ethiopia and much of the Horn of Africa. For centuries, his people worshipped ancient gods through elaborate rituals at sacred temples scattered across the highlands. Then Ezana converted to Christianity and decided everyone else would too. He launched a brutal campaign across his empire, burning down every temple he could find. Traditional priests were given a choice: convert or die. Most chose death. When communities resisted, Ezana's army showed no mercy. At the final stand near ancient Yaha, thousands of worshippers formed human shields around their sacred stones. They were all slaughtered defending their gods. Within 5 years, Ezana had wiped out over 1,000 years of religious tradition. His Christian empire lasted 16 centuries and became the only African nation to resist Islamic conquest. One man's faith became an entire civilization's destiny.